All right, I'm recording. What's up, everybody? It's Trey. I think Justin's at work today, so this is gonna be JBT's trash removal featuring Trey as a spokesperson. I wish we had some sponsors so I can shout out some people, but shout out Justin, that's a sponsor. But so far, apparently for this client, a tree fell over in the yard and we got to get it up. So Pops made me get this long tool. Pretty sure it's for trees. I'm pretty sure that's a chainsaw on that, and don't know what it's officially called. If Justin was here, he'll tell me. If Pops was outside, he'll tell me. But yeah, it's cold out here too. But I had to get my smoothie, so my hands dry, but that don't matter. So yeah, just waiting to get to this location and get this tree up. So we'll see y'all there. All right, we here at the location. Alright. Yeah, we're right here. Huh? Yeah, I can open the gate. Like a glove. Keep this close. Never want to lose that stuff. Thing should be recording. Hopefully it's recording. I can't open the gate. I lied. Yeah, scoot up just a little bit. All right. All right, you're good. You're good. You're good. He made me put a hat on the engine, cause yeah, why not? Let me make sure to check this thing is recording. Is it recording? Yes, it is recording. Hi, everybody. Yep, it's recording. Just had to make sure. All right, so here's a tree. Apparently the tree is falling over. Oh, yeah, that thing got uprooted. Looks like the wind took that with it. So, that should be fun. Other than that, though, yeah, got cold here last night. I wonder if I slip and slide. Oh yeah, Justin about to be paying me hazard pay. It's like, nah.
right now.
Get that pretty thing off there. 50 feet, 15 meters. Okay, so don't touch power lines. Gotcha. All right. Huh?
Turn sideways, turn sideways.
Sideways?
Turn sideways. No, you turn around sideways.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, that looks good.
Okay.
Now you gotta get the one here off.
Okay. This one? Watch yourself.
Go back a little farther, put the whole ground over.
Okay. Right here?
Right there.
Start packing them up?
Yeah, yeah. Go
Okay.
take the dolly out. Take this over here out.
Okay. All
And
right.
that right to the side over there.
Oh, all right. Thought you wanted everything out for a second.
No.
All right. All right, dolly, come out.
Stuff out. Get out. Get out. Get out.
All right. Watch out.
Look. I think your way on the corner.
Hmm?
Go up in there. Not in the way right there. Just up here.
Mm.
Take it all out here. Right here. There you go. I know where. You want to bring your toe out? Bring your toe out? And lay your toe over here.
Uh-huh. Shit. That didn't go well. That throw was not the best. There we go.
What you want to do now? Come out. Watch your blade. Watch your blade. Look. You want to cut them off like right about here.
Mm-hmm.
Right here, right there. Some short, so you don't have to worry about piling it up in the neck. You go in the corner there.
Okay.
You can work your way back.
Okay.
Oh, something like that for this while.
Okay.
Watch your blade. Don't touch the ground. Hey, look out for
Shit.
yourself.
Hold on.
Oh.
I ain't gonna hit you. I ain't gonna hit you.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna hit you. I got it.
Let me tell you something.
Hmm.
Here, I'm doing that. See? Put that in the hard.
Oh, use your leg. Got it.
So actually, look, watch it.
Mm.
You lay it on the ground. You lay it on
On grass.
that concrete, not this stuff here.
Got you. Okay. So grass is cool, just not concrete.
Put concrete.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Cut that piece of it off too. So you put that one stuff right there. Cut this right here off too. You want me to absorb it easy, no problem.
Got you. Okay.
But that's okay, we got to cut now. Just cut the other one off.
Okay.
Right here on the end. See, look. Okay.
So like cut them like real small.
No, that real one. Cut it right here.
Mm-hmm.
Cut this stuff out of the way. Cut it right there. You just start biting it back.
All right.
You know what I'm saying?
Mm.
You want a smaller piece so you get a bit of everything, no problem. In the middle, right there. Stop, lay it off. Drop this all back off, this long. Cut it all back. Stop right here. Drop. Cut it off. There you go. Pick it up. Look, that one there's the bar. Don't worry. Go around.
You all right?
Around this way. Those two.
These two right here? Those two?
Get the other one. Let me tell you something. Right now, throw it.
Hmm?
Now throw it. Okay. Pull it for me.
Oops. Oh, it's don't stop. That's why. Pops won't sit down. Alright, now he's playing with fire over here. Huh?
Yeah, we should cut that. You can't cut that. When I reached up there, they cut on a slant.
Yeah.
They go through like on a slant. It's going to fall in the direction I want it to fall. Started with a little break. I got it.
Huh? Shoot, it was colder last night with that wind howling. Believe me. Too bad this ain't going to the landfill.
Now it's going down below to where they recycle the stuff.
Okay.
Look, after get this up, I'm gonna get all the vehicles to go out of here, go in there. You know, I'm gonna put this other fence and stuff right down.
Okay.
You know, put the whole thing up there.
I know.
We breaking that, yeah. Go right in the back. In the back. Just don't be hot off the top like it hung. That's it.
Yeah.
Have you ever used a post before?
What, this pole?
Yeah. No, a post right there.
Yeah, well, nah, because the last time we got down the tree, we just had straight chainsaws.
Oh, okay. Yeah. The post was sweet, man. You get that from it. So stuff for you don't get hit by it.
That's why it's so long?
Yeah.
Okay.
You put this about here on there, it makes it even longer. It ain't real long, you way up there.
Oh yeah, I seen tree, that's when they be up high and they can't reach it, they stay away, they just let it fall.
They reach it so high.
I've seen people they be in the buckets too doing it, like so it don't swing on them.
So don't go back hit them.
Yeah.
They hit it from the bottom, and they hit it from the top so it drop clean off. That's straight down.
Oh shit.
Go right there in the back. No, I see back. I'm back behind.
Oh, I know. I'm just pushing this as much as I can.
You walk it down from there.
Yeah.
Once you lay the chainsaw down on and start cutting, just put a little pressure in the front on and cut it through, all right?
All right.
You know what's up right here first. So we step big stuff, scrape it up and throw it in there.
All right.
Then
Is,
I'm gonna put you over the fence and cut it off so I go to the fence. All right.
all right. Is it still recording?
Yeah.
Okay.
Little red light on blink.
Yeah, just making sure.
Yeah,
Dang, yeah, too bad we didn't bring a rake or a broom or something.
yeah. You might have one. I know you tomorrow. I always say, I'll grab his replay. So right now, let's just get it all down, get it up.
Okay.
Take the post off, go around and go into the fence. I don't worry that.
Oh, they say get it up.
Take the post off, walk around, walk into his gate.
All right. It's a good day. Ain't too cold to me. Ain't too hot. Nice little breeze. Learning stuff. Making money. Can't ask for a better day. I woke up this morning.
When we start it for you,
I got it.
hey, on the ground. You should watch too forward. Get on first.
This one? Yeah, that's thorns.
Didn't cut that one off.
All right, that's thorns.
Yeah, I didn't know.
Yeah, all right. This one? Huh?
That big one here sticking out.
Yeah,
Tell us about that far from the green there.
right.
Come around the way. Reach there, tell us that far from the green there.
We will-
Like that, reach over here, reach in,
Oh, this one.
Take that
Okay,
one.
gotcha.
So cut this big one here off, right about there.
Right here.
Yeah, right about there. Straight up, right down.
ain't doing nothing.
Stuff like this right here.
Uh-huh.
Right there. See when you cut through?
Yeah.
Cut through it now. You should cut it right here.
You told me right there.
No. Behind, I meant behind here.
Oh.
You cut through a knot over there.
Okay. The thorns hurt. Okay, OG. I see you.
We got to pull this piece out of here.
Okay.
Like, hook it on something.
It's not connected. Careful, a lot of these are thorns. Be a man, Trey. Oh shit. Dang, they just about to hit me back. That's crazy.
Man, holy shit. Online, cut it again for you.
Okay.
Right now, focus on going. Yeah, I'll cut that again for you. Don't worry, I'll cut that again right there. I cut it right here
Okay.
where you was cutting that in the middle, and I'll cut it right here so you can get it.
All right.
Hey, I'll cut it for you.
Okay. Like this.
God, my hand's cold.
You want me to do it?
Roll the feet up. Pull that. Roll it over. Oh! This one wants to hit cut. Top blade on the cut. This cut. You can get out there in just a minute. Do that over there.
Yeah.
Start pulling it over the fence and all I know is pick up all that. Don't miss any of that. Hey, look, step on that, will you?
Step on this?
Yeah. Push that down the ground. There you go. That's good. That's good. That's good.
All right. You all right?
Hands is cold.
It just gotta be thorns. Dang.
You gotta get one pull up on the back. So
Yeah.
you get one pull up on it one time. You get it going. Hold the handle.
I still feel them.
Hold it over there.
Trust me, I still feel them through my gloves.
Yeah, thick cloth. That's good.
Oh, that's still in there.
Got it cut.
Yeah, a little cut. I mean, I can rip this stuff. Yeah. All right, that's good.
Look at the big piece right here. The big piece right there. That's it. We got it. Yeah. We got a little bit right here too.
Gotcha. Yep. Always leave a job cleaner than when you arrive. That's what I've always been taught from Justin and his pops. Always leave a job cleaner than when you arrived. How you doing, sir?
That's it right there.
Oh.
Oh, no problem.
Oh, let me unlock this.
You can get it. I'm throwing it in the back.
Alright. Easy work, easy money. Everyone's happy. Justin's happy, Pop's happy, the client's happy, I'm happy. I get to be outside making money. What could be more fun than that? You get to be outside. I love being outside. Being outside is the best.
You might want to live in it first.
Yeah.
You don't want to put it on the ground. There's your hammer if you're going up there. Good.
Ooh. Yeah. Yeah, it's these thorns. That's one thing I can also say about working for Justin's bulk trash removal. If you work for them, they care about your safety. They always gonna make sure you got it. And if you don't, they gonna help you. Pops always make sure I got it. He likes to offer to help. Pop's a cool dude. For those who never got to meet Pops and who haven't met Pops in person yet, or never will, he a real cool dude, man. And he know a lot. Dude knows a lot of stuff. All right, the rest of the thorns. Thorny. Be cool if Poison Ivy from Batman came out. Man, Poison Ivy from Batman came out. Ain't no fighting. She could do what she want. Take me. Take me as I am. I'ma scream Valhalla, and she gonna take me. Now I'ma just scream Valhalla and jump straight to her. Full body extension and everything. Like them heroes, like that dude off of God of War who jumped off that ship. Full extension, just Valhalla, and she can take me. Good toss. Spartans. Okay, good toss, good spear. Target eliminated. I wonder, do I still know the military alphabet? Alpha, Bravo, Charlie, Delta, Echo, Foxtrot. I forgot G, forgot H. I think I forgot I. What is J? J. Dang, I forgot J. I think K is Kill Fox, Kill Trot. L is Lima. M is Mike. N is, I forgot what O is. Oscar. I forgot what P is. Q, I forgot what Q is. R, I think I forgot what R is. S, Sierra, Tango. Oh wait, no, I think N is November. Like, yeah, I think N is November. Oscar, forgot P. Q, R. The thorn got me. Yeah, I forgot what R was. S is Sierra, T is Tango. I think U is, I forgot. I don't know V, Villa. Forgot W. Oh, L is Lima. L is Lima. W is Whiskey. I think X is X-ray. I forgot what Y is. And don't know Z. I can't think of it. All right. I think I know more. I think I know more than the average American. Alpha Bravo Charlie Delta Echo Foxtrot. Oh, Z is Zulu. Z is Zulu. So when they be actually talking through them headsets, they be like Whiskey Oscar. Oh, it's Oscar. Whiskey Oscar Tango Foxtrot. That shit sounds so cool, man. Especially when if you a fighter jet and you just like Tango Whiskey and grid area 529, 500-pound payload, request permission. Foxtrot, this is Lima, request accepted, bring the rain. Apparently one of my uncles used to be a fighter pilot. He's still alive. He don't talk about it much, but man, if he's been in some dog fights, I would love to hear them stories. Think about it, you're 30,000 feet, traveling faster than the speed of sound with somebody shooting at you. Boy, that ain't nothing but adrenaline. You hear me? That ain't nothing but adrenaline. I'm trying to get that kind of adrenaline every day without the shooting. I don't need to feel my adrenaline just from being shot at. Shit, that happened enough in PG. Big tree. I'm about to say big twig. Go Trey, go Trey, go Trey. You did it. It's like, no. Didn't that thing start off as Go Meg? And then it'd be like, get him Glow, get him Glow. I know when Justin sees this. Is it still recording? Yeah, it's still recording. Cool. Okay. I know when Justin see this, he gonna be like, dang, Trey, you got all the good angles. Dang, Trey, you got the natural cameraman thing. And you know what the best thing is about being the cameraman? Cameraman never dies. I never get injured. God forbid, please don't make something happen right now. Because I'm definitely the type that God likes to make examples out of. So. Alright, I think that's good. Time to get it all. Okay. Yeah, I wish I had a broom or something. I ain't got nothing back here. Nope. Okay, cool. Alright. Yeah, probably should have brought a broom or something. That's cool. Yeah, the small twigs, the stuff that's actually gonna make a difference and be a nuisance. Yeah. Get those up. It's cold out, but it ain't that cold. Maybe because I got my HH overalls. Hey, Helly Hansen should sponsor me. Yeah, it's all in there. I'm just cleaning up the area.
Yeah, well, what I'll do, I'll get my blower and try to blow this. Yeah, because I want them complaining.
Get the blower in the trunk. Blow goes our way out.
Oh, there's a. Oh, okay.
You got a blower?
Yeah.
I didn't even see it.
Yeah, just blow it on with you in this red.
Oh. Wow, how did I completely miss that?
Put it on the back of the truck. come in and put this stuff right here, the little teeny stuff. Put it inside on the floor. I told you. Oh, put the cover back on.
I got you. Yeah.
Wow.
You like 7 days a week. 7 days a week.
And you ain't got a full-time job.
Best way I can do it. Justin, Pops, I'm sorry for doing it like this. To me, this is safe. Please correct me if I'm wrong in the future. Hey, Pops, you want your tea? You want your iced tea?
You do me a favor.
There you go.
Put the
Dolly in the back.
bar and the other thing, the little clip thing in the back here. Long change all you need.
Oh, you want me to put this in the back seat? The small
On
stuff
the
in the
floor.
back?
Yeah, all the small stuff on the
Okay.
floor.
Alright. So the metal rod going back here,
All lay there.
and then this
That's
is.
all on the floor.
Yep.
And now you can go out.
I'm gonna put the dolly in the back too.
Close the gate up too.
Yeah, I'm about to put the dolly back up. Of course, it's cold. It's cold, sir. Of course. Thank you for choosing us. Shit, this joint ain't got no juice. This joint ain't got no juice. This battery ain't got no juice.
Yeah, you take down this. Oh, yeah, grab that one.
Yep. All right, how you turn this on? Okay, cool. Automatic. All right. And to finish up the day. Yep, cleaner than when we arrived.
Oh, wow. That's good, man. That was quick. All right, okay.
All right, we're done, and yeah. You got anything you want to say, Pops?
Nope, great job, buddy. Great job.
Appreciate you. Signing off.
Hey, wait a minute. Who in the hell are you?
Hey man, say man, y'all already know who it is. Pull up like money, get money. We ain't never slumming. On God.